I got this from Home Depot. It's a Dremel 8220 cordless Dremel. It's a 12 volts max lithium-ion battery. Comes with 30 accessories right here. I pay $100 plus tax, and I mainly bought it to cut. I usually use it to cut metal, or when I'm doing detail cuts or detail repairs. So I'm mainly gonna be using it for cutting metal. And it comes with instruction menu, and I was reading the instructions the other day, and there's a lot of different things that you can use it for. You just gotta buy the different adapters or accessories. And so it's got a lot of information on this book that I'm gonna try to buy more accessories to use it for more different things, not only for cutting. But that was the main reason I bought it, for cutting metal on a hard to get places. And so people say, they say it's hard to pull this metal handle. It's not hard. You just gotta have nails, or longer nails. Or if it's hard, you can put a little. You can tie like a zip tie, so that way you have something to grab. Comes with a charger. It's one piece charger, and here's the box. So here's the box that comes with. So it's supposed to be like 30 pieces, but this is the cutting wheel that I be using the most. It's for metal, and then I'll probably get me another set of wheels to cut metal. And here, I think in the case you can place your beads right here. Has a place to store your beads. And right here the wrench. And so I think the battery, it says it's charged in about 1 hour. It takes about 1 hour to charge. I don't know how long it lasts, but it comes with two lines from the box. So it came at 50,000 RPM, but you can switch it from low, 10,000, 15,000, 20, 25, and 30,000. So it gets louder as you increase the speed. And maybe later I might get the extension that you put on the top, and then you grab it like a pencil in case if you need to do more detailed work. So the on and off switch is separate from the speed adjuster. And here's this button is to lock when you need to change with a little wrench. When you need to change the accessory, you push this button, the lock button. Or if you don't want to use the wrench, I think you can use this part, the head. So you put it on there, and then you can loosen it. So you can use this as a wrench. So you press the lock button and then you tighten. I use hand tighten. So it's 12 volt Bmax lithium ion Dremel model 8220. Pay $100 from Home Depot, and I'm gonna try and see how it works. Comes with a hard case, and if you want to put a lock or zip tie, in case if the tabs, the clips, if they break, you can still put a zip tie or a lock. It's a small case, it's not heavy. So I'm gonna give it a try and see how it works. Thanks for watching.